Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable blender. It holds a 15.2 ounce. It's a personal size blender. It does have 6 blades and a 4,000 milliamp type C rechargeable battery. This is a mini blender of 500 milliliters for your home, gym, travel, and your office. Alright, so right here we have our portable blender juicer. So this does have 6 blades strong cutter head with a 4,000 milliamp super power. So right here we did get the gray one. It's offered in white, gray, black. They also have blue and green. So this is BPA free, that it does not contain any harmful substance and can be safely used as for baby food. So first off, we have the top to the cup. It is a pop top. Just pop it up right here. So this holds about 1.1 pounds. It has 3 speeds. So right here you have the USB charger. This is a Type C. It is a stainless steel 6-blade design. The portable blender has 6 blades, which is stainless steel. Here is your battery level capacity. So it's got 25, 50, 75, and 100. It's got nice little sturdy feet so it does not move around. The rotation frequency is about 24,000 times per minute and can be produced delicious juice in just 30 seconds. So you can see this 6 blades. It is healthy and safety. The personal size blender is made up of eco-friendly food grade. It is non-toxic. You can use this as well as making baby foods. It does not contain any BPA. So just for a safety feature, you cannot turn it on while the cup is off. That way you do not get no cuts or bruises. So it can charge mini blenders in various ways, such as a mobile power car charger. You can charge it by the computer, charge it by the wall. It says charged in 3 to 5 hours to support 20 stirrings, so you can use it 20 times before you need to charge it. Right here is the user manual. This tells you everything about the blender itself, how to put it on, how to clean it. You've got the specifications. It's got a 1-button cleaning after you have used the mini juicer. All you have to do is put the water and a little bit of soap inside the cup portion, turn it upside down, and you can blend it that way and it'll keep it clean. So you just screw it on this way. And just for safety precautions, it does not turn on while the cup is off. So you got to click it down twice in order to start it. So back here is the USB charging port. So you just plug it in from behind here. So you can charge it by a laptop, a power bank, USB charging, or you can charge it with your car. So if you're on the go, you can take this with you. You just plug this power cord into the back of the blender itself. It has a 6-piece stainless steel, which is compared to any ordinary 3, 4, or 5 pieces. So this one is super nice. I do have the more big advanced that actually makes a lot of noise, so I decided to go something that is quick and not so loud. You can see that the blenders are moving, the blades. So right now it's charged at 75%. You double click it to turn it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting some stuff in. So I got some blueberries, strawberries. I'm going to add some milk. Just pour it in here, and then you blend as normal. So the robust electric motor with 14,000 plus 10 RPM speed makes your nutritious juices can be finished within 30 seconds. We're going to go ahead and blend. So that's about how loud it is. It did crush up all my frozen blueberries and strawberries and raspberries that are in here. So if you're looking for a nice portable juicer that you can take with you that lasts a long time before needing to charge, I definitely would recommend this one. I love this one. I do have the NutriBullet that makes a soup, which is super loud, and I just want something that's convenient I could take with me on the go. This one definitely is it. I would highly recommend looking into this juicer.